What's up? Today I'm going to be doing a blower motor in a 2008 Nissan Sentra. I'm going to attempt it. A buddy of mine hurt his hand. He's asked if I could do it. I haven't done one before. We'll give it a shot. I have the vehicle in my garage. It's quite cold out here today. Got the heat going. I guess these are a pretty big job. They state that you're supposed to take the dash out. I've watched some videos and whatnot. Check it out. But I want to show you where the blower motor is, or here's the blower motor we're going to be putting in. All right. I got an aftermarket one, I believe. All right. Nothing special. Looks like every other blower motor I've done in the past couple decades, right? I didn't get the part. This is what we're putting in, and I'll show you where it goes. Or should I say, where I think it goes. I can't even see the thing. All right, so we're in the car. Tell me if you can see this. I kind of put the light up here. I think it's up there somewhere. We're going to take some stuff apart. We're going to try to figure it out. I'm going to start by taking the nasty floor mat out, because God knows what people put on their shit. Look at that. Ugh. We're going to take some stuff out here, the vent and stuff, so I can see what's going on. Maybe the pedal assembly panels. I'll start taking it apart. We'll start digging, see what happens. All right, this is what I removed. It's been about 15 minutes. That was easy. The clip for the clevis on the brake pedal or brake booster is a little difficult to figure out, but it's got a plastic thing you have to squeeze. I took out that vent just to get some more room. The body control module. I've never seen these kind of plugs. They're really hard to get out. 2 decades in the business, haven't seen a stupid plug like this, but leave it to Nissan. They say to take that bracket out. I took the module and bracket all together. It's just kind of a tongue twister up there with your hands over your head, sideways. Anyway, I'm gonna keep digging. This is where we are. See if we can see the module, the blower motor. Can we see it? It's up there somewhere. I still can't see it. Anyway, stay tuned. I do see it. I think you should be able to see it right there, right now. That is the blow motor. All right, took the blend door actuator or whatever actuator this is out of the way, and I found a way to get the blower motor out. The blower motor is in like this. I turned it around in its spot up there and kind of jiggled it by the brake booster clevis. So I didn't have to take that apart, which is a plus. We'll say we're probably 45 minutes into the job, an hour. The Phillips head screws for the actuator for the, I'm assuming the blend door, whatever it is, are hard to get. On the time lapse, I had a special tool. I'll show you right here. Hope my mechanic friends don't get mad at me for revealing a inexpensive, stubby Phillips head, but it's what I used, and I made a lot of money using that method. And we'll continue. Module back here. These connectors kind of suck. All by feel. Come on, bastard, get in there. This one goes like this. Come on. Oh, the sound of sex. Or success. Sorry. Got excited. Get this one. Listen. I can't see it, but I can hear success. Sex, I mean. You know what I mean. Oh, this bastard. Get this last one in. Come on, Rigger. Ooh. That felt good. All right. Get this in somehow. All right, body control module's in. We're going to attach it and put the pedals back here. Fire it up, we'll see what happens. everything's secure. Blower motor's in. Had no blower speed before. Off. On. Hear it? We're good. This job wasn't terrible. I do think you have to be a bit experienced in the automotive field to do this. I don't think your backyard mechanic will execute it without issues like unplugging the BCM. That body control module has weird plugs. Anyway, getting the blend door or whatever actuator it was that I removed out and getting the pedals out, a little intricate. Some minor automotive experience, automotive repair experience. The hardest part would be hanging upside down, getting dizzy, and if I was a lefty, that would aid highly because everything's done on my back with your left hand. You can't arch the other way with your right hand anyway, but all in all, the blower motor replacement wasn't bad. Couple hours invested and it's done. I'd do another one in half the time for sure, now that I know what I'm up against. So this goes for many year Nissan Sentras. I believe this is an 08. I believe it goes to 2012. Similar central, behind this shifter module here. The blower motor's in the center part, up by the firewall, over the evaporator and heater core, I suppose you would say. Anyway, just thought I'd do this because I hear it was a pretty difficult job. The customer got a high price from some other garage and just helping a friend out. Anyway, if you like it, hit the like and subscribe buttons. Later.